this is Abigail, and I'm going to be showing you how to make rubber band bracelets using your rubber band bracelet making kit. And all the money that we're going to be using that we get from those kits is to help us earn our bronze award. The two types of bracelets, rubber band bracelets, I'm going to be making today is first a regular one and second a fishtail one. Both of those are not hard to make. So let's get started. So first you're going to want to take one of your rubber bands. We're making the original first. And you're going to want to twist it and around 2 fingers. Like that. It should look like that. Then you're going to want to take another rubber band and twist it around your fingers again so it looks like that. So then you'll have 2 rubber bands twisted around your fingers. Then you're going to take the bottom one and pull it and then put it over onto that. And then do the other side as well. Next, you're going to take another rubber band and twist it again. And take the bottom one and pull it over. And then you're going to repeat that. Then you're going to repeat that until your bracelet is long enough. It is easy, so twist it. Take the bottom one, pull it over, pull it over. And you see a bracelet is already forming. So you're going to just keep on doing that. Twist, bottom one, pull over. Twist, bottom one, pull over. So this will take you about, I guess, 25 rubber bands for the regular. It depends on what size wrist you have. But these are super fun to make. So you can make these for family members. Each rubber band bracelet kit comes with about 50 rubber bands, 2 S-clips, and the rubber bands will probably come in rainbow colors. Each kit would make about 2 bracelets. Here is my bracelet so far. It's starting to look like it. I'm going to do about 2 more rubber bands. So you're going to want to keep twisting and pulling over each of them until it is long enough. Twist, pull over. And then once it's twisted up and you've done it, it's long enough, you're going to want to pull this one off, pull it over, and then what I like to do is take this rubber band and pull to create a little knot. Then you're going to take one of your X-clips and hook it onto each end. And then you'll have a regular bracelet. They are so pretty. Next, we're going to be making a fishtail bracelet. So, first you're going to want to take a rubber band and twist it around your fingers. Like that. Then take another rubber band and twist it around your fingers also. Like that. And then take one more rubber band and twist it around your fingers. Like that. Then you're going to take the bottom one and pull it over into the middle. And do the same thing with the other side. Next you're going to take another rubber band. Next, you're going to take another rubber band, and you're going to not twist it this time, and just do that. And then take a bottom one and pull it over. See? Like that. And then take another rubber band. Don't twist it. Pull it, and then take the bottom one and pull it over. And then keep repeating keep repeating the stuff we just did, where you do not twist it from now on, and just take the bottom one and pull it over. Repeat until your bracelet is done. These are so much fun to make. And you would have a lot of fun with the kits, the rubber band bracelet making kits. So I would say about 35, like 25, I guess 35 rubber bands for this one would make a fishtail, about around that many. And so you're just going to want to keep on doing it until you think it is long enough. Okay, and then once you think it is long enough to end it, you'll have two, and you're going to take the bottom one and put it over in the middle, and take the others and do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to do the same thing as we did last time. Take this rubber band and place it over. Take this one, pull to make a little knot. Then we're going to take an S-clip and hook it onto both ends. And then there you will have a fishtail bracelet. Thank you so much for watching this video and buying a kit. We really appreciate it. You're helping us earn our bronze award. Thank you. Bye!